Hello, welcome to Ekidel. My name is Justice Nwaka and I am your instructor. Today, I will be showing you how to arrange your beam detailing in Stonebridge detailing template. So if you are a user of Stonebridge detailing template, I will be showing you today how to arrange your beam on model space. Okay, so there are two ways of arranging your structural detailing beams. Maybe when you are done with your design in Protastructure and then you have now pasted it on the Stonebridge template. So there are two ways that you can arrange your beams and your structural drawings. So I'll be showing you today how to arrange your beams on model space and not on paper space. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this is a building drawing I'm working on. As you can see that. So basically, I have already transferred all other ones to layout here, like to sheets and all that. And these are my columns. So right now, I'm trying to arrange my beams on the sheets. Okay. So what I'll do right now, as you can see, I am basically on beam 3. Okay. So I've already done all the works here. So it's just to place it on the these beams now on the sheet. So if I believe you must have known how to use this Stonebridge template, but if you don't know, I have done many videos about Stonebridge template, which is a template that is used after you are done with your design with the software Protastructure or Staadpro or Orion CAC. So basically, when you're done with your design with any of these softwares which I have mentioned, like Protastructure, you can see that your drawings are not quite okay. So the drawings that was created by these softwares are not okay to be presented to your clients. All right, so you have to now use Stonebridge template to get a good looking drawings like this, as you can see that. Okay, so right now I have already worked on all these things, and if you want to know how to do that, you can get the template following the link below this video description and purchase that, and then watch the videos, all our videos about how to use the Stonebridge template. Okay, so right now I will now go and paste and to go and now transfer this one right now to to the layout, to the title block, and move this right now to this place. So right now, when you are arranging your beam, now there are two things you're meant to do when you're working on paper space. Okay, it is quite very good for you to work on model space like this. That is if you're using scales and all that. If you want to use a scale to bring your drawings into the title block sheet like this, okay, that is very, very good. That is if you want to work very professional. You have to work on paper space here, where you have to bring in your drawings just like this. By bringing in your drawings like this, something like this here, using scale and all that. I have taught you guys before about that, how to bring your drawings and all that using scale. Okay, but right now I want to teach you guys how to work on model space. Okay, so I'm not teaching today on this layer space because I have done that before. So right now, to now work on model space, if you don't want to work on paper space here, where you have to use scale to like zoom in your drawings using scale, then you must have to adhere to this simple rule. Now, when you take up a Stonebridge template that is here, the sample here, now you can see that the sample here on model space have beam template. Okay, these are Stonebridge template that has beam template. Okay, so if you are going to use this Stonebridge template, it's okay, fine for you to use it. But if you are to use a different logo, let me say a different company sent you their drawing, like a drawing to perform a design, like a let me say detailing. Now you can see that this is a company which I'm currently using their template. They say I should use their template but do their structural works for them. So right now I am using the templates, the company templates, to do that instead of using the Stonebridge template, which is here, as you can see that. So I am using the company template and their logo to do that, although I have already taken permission to display their logo here on Ekidel. Okay, so you can see that I have already arranged this sheet, beginning from the cover page here, from the cover page down all the way down to the staircase here. Okay, so you can see how the drawings are being arranged. Most people don't know how to arrange drawings like this. Okay, so but I have done this video and all that. Okay, so right now when you copy any any template, any title block that is not from Stonebridge here, the sample here, especially for beams, you must not zoom or scale or rescale your template or your title block for sheet, okay? Because once you rescale and make it bigger, what happens is that when you print your drawing, you won't be able to see the text and all that, okay? So you must use the right size of this Stonebridge template size here for beams. For example, if I copy this right now, copy this now and take it to the one which I am currently working on. So if I copy this right now and copy it down to this place here, which I'm currently working on here, you will see that the same size, as you can see that they are of the same size. Can you see that? They are of the same size. Both this company, this OSAS now, which I'm working on OSIS, and the Stonebridge, that's because I have already resized their template to fit in the Stonebridge size of template for A3, okay? So if you must use a different company title block, you must have to rescale it to the size specified by Stonebridge, else when you print, it will not be able to come out, it won't be visible, and you'll be seeing your text appearing small, okay? So once you have rescaled to the size specified by Stonebridge and all that, the next thing now is now begin to put in your beams into the sheet, okay? So that is what I say. I'll be showing you today how to put your beams to sheet. As you can see, we have already put beam 4 into this place. So I'll now go and locate beam 5 here, and then move beam 5 right now. Just don't copy, move, because if you copy, you might make mistake and go and paste it twice. So move it entirely, move it, and make sure you go and keep it and align it serially. Don't keep it haphazardly or scattered and all that. Then go again. Now I have put beam 5. I'll now go again and copy beam 6. So you have to arrange it how they appears, like from foundation. After foundation, you now put you now arrange foundation footing, and after foundation footings comes columns, okay? So let me just paste this right now and then show you that again. So I'll paste this here now and then transfer this right now, this section, to copy, move this section here, move it, okay? Move this section here right now to this place here, okay? To this place here, and then I can choose to move it and keep it here, okay? That's fine. Now, as I was saying before, you can see that after the cover page comes what? Comes the construction note, okay? Where you have to give every instruction pertaining your word detailing, okay? Then comes your foundation layout, okay? Foundation layout. Then after foundation layout comes your columns what? Detailing. So your footing base. That is, if you're using a pad footing, comes your footing base. If you're using a raft foundation, then it comes to your what? Raft slab or raft foundation beams, okay? Then after that right now comes your what? Column detail. So this is how Stonebridge does its column detail. If you are a user of Stonebridge template, you must master this, okay? So this is how Stonebridge does its template. Then comes the column and of all sides. So once you're done with the columns and all that, then what comes now is the first floor beam and column layer, okay? Now after first floor and all that, then comes slab detailing, okay? Now after slab detailing, then comes what? Comes first floor beams and all that. So you have to paste all your first floor beams, which I am pasting now, before you now before roof beams will not appear. If it is a one-story building, or the next story will not appear. So right now I am still pasting the other floors, which is this one here. This is the first floor beams. All these ones here are the first floor beams, and this one here is the roof. You can see that roof beam GA, and these are the roof beam details, okay? So right now I will have to paste first and transfer all these beams into the title block first. So this is now beam 7, sorry. I'll transfer it now to this place here, and make sure I keep it quietly there without any, keep it here, okay? And then go and transfer beam 8 here, okay, transfer beam 8 right now from here all the way, transfer it now to what, to this place here, and come here and then keep it here. So make sure you move. Okay, now transfer this here right now, and then try to move this section here because it's trying to go out from the title block. Move it right now. Make sure you don't squeeze your drawings like that. So move it and then I'll come here and keep it here. Okay, since they are on the same sheet, they can be able to locate this section. When they see section 10 here, can be able to locate it here. Okay, so make sure you don't go and put it on a different sheet. It's not that wise to do that. So right now, since I have done that right now, I will now come again right now and copy another one right now. Let me just say I copy this one here right now, copy this again right now. So since that sheet, since that title block is feed up, I'll have to go and copy another one again right now, copy it, and then go again, copy an empty title block, and then come again and paste this here. Okay, and make sure you align it. Okay, align it right now and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. Then the reason why you have to align it is because during printing it makes easy for batch printing. Okay, so right now come and copy beam 9. Okay, so make sure you don't scatter your drawing so that it can be able, so that it can be easy to follow up during the construction, and that will make during the stage of construction to be very, very easy. Okay, another. Okay, so right now come right now and then keep this here. Okay, that come here right now and then keep this here. That's fine. Okay, number 9. Then come and copy beam 10 here, beam 10, copy beam 10 right now, copy it from here, and then come again and then place this. So make sure you place it, arrange it well. Now Stonebridge template is what you are meant to learn. Okay, so if you have purchased a Stonebridge template, it might need you for, let me say, at least 2 to 3 years to then master it very, very well. So you have to master it well. When you master it well, you like enjoy the template. Okay, and you see that your structural drawing will be appearing to standard. Okay, to global standard. Okay, so right now come and paste. I can choose to paste. Let me paste this here. Yeah, paste this here, paste this here, then transfer the drawing. Okay, so I've been using this Stonebridge template since 2010. Okay, I've been using this Stonebridge template since 2010 and all that, and I can tell you that it's a good template that every structural or civil engineer is meant to have. Okay, so right now this is beam 10. So I'm not gonna, okay, this is beam 11. I'm not gonna copy beam 12. Okay, I'm almost done with the first floor. Okay, and then copy beam 12 here. Okay, sorry, don't copy, move it, and then come here right now and then place this here. Okay, I'll carefully place it here. Okay, then come again right now and copy beam 13, beam 13, beam 13. Okay, and then move carefully and then place this here. Okay, that's fine, and place this here. That's fine. I can see that this one is already filled up, right? So I'll have to copy again right now. Let me copy again this sheet again, copy it right now to the next place, copy an empty title block and keep this here and change the name, because this is sheet sheet number 8. So this now becomes sheet number 9. Okay, so this now becomes sheet number 9. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then I will now go again right now and then move the final one here, which is the first floor beam. So this is the final beam detail for the first floor, so I'll move it right now and then move it from here and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine, and then keep this here. Okay, and keep this here. Now you can see that it is trying to come out from the template. Now the mistake most people do, this is the most important area, don't go and scale your sheet like this because you want it to enter on this title block. Don't go and scale this sheet like this, like let me say times 2. Okay, you can't scale like this just because you want to put in your drawing. No, once you do this, your structural drawing printout will not appear well. Okay, so Stonebridge requires that you do not scale the sheet. Okay, so I've just done undo now and then brought it back to. So when you have this kind of thing, make sure you don't scale up your sheet. You will have issues on that. So what you do is to cut the beam and using a continuity line. Okay, so look at what I'll do right now. I'll have to go here and then click on polyline here. Okay, by doing that now I will now come click anywhere here, then come all the way down now on my auto command by pressing F8 key on my auto, then come to this place here, draw a continuity symbol like this, a continuity symbol just like this way I'm drawing here right now. Draw this here, then go all the way down again, draw this here, and then draw this down here. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll now come again right now, copy this. I can choose to change the color to white, that let me say red, so that you can be able to see it, or yes, red is fine. And then I'll now come now, click on this right now. Let me just change to white. I think white will be okay for it, or pink, magenta, that's fine. Okay, then I'll now come now and copy this right now and make it to be 2, copy and keep it somewhere here. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll now have to now come here, explode this dimension, just this one here that is crossing this continuity line, explode it like this, explode. Okay, that's fine. And then come now and trim everything off in between these two continuity lines. I'll trim here off, come again here, trim here, and then trim here, and then trim here, and then trim here. Okay, that's fine. So right now I will now come here, move this one right now on its own, just like this, move it like this, move it like this, and then move. Okay, turn off my auto command, and then come here and keep this here. Okay, so this is structurally accepted around the world. Okay, I'll come here right now and then move this again. I didn't move this for the first time. I'm moving that. Let me see that. Okay, that's fine. So I'll come now and then come here and keep this. That's fine. So right now I will now come here, copy this text, because this is still part of beam word 13. So I'll keep this here right now and come here and add words and add continue at the end of this place. Okay, so I'll come now and add words continue. Okay, so I'll add continue. Okay, and then click OK. Then come now. Okay, that's fine. It's already arranged. Then come here and shift this one backward, okay, a bit. So by doing this now, you can now see how we have done this. So with this, you can see that I didn't rescale this title sheet or title block to make it to be bigger. Instead, I still maintain the size that Stonebridge recommends that I should use. Instead, I now have to go and what, apply continuity line to my beam. So anyone reading this beam as sight will see that this is a continuity line, that this being continuous somewhere, so they will still find it here. Now when you are pasting the continuity line, don't go and paste it on a different sheet. You must paste it on the same sheet, okay, so that they will know that that it can be seen there, right? So this is how to arrange your beams on sheet. Okay, so the next thing I'll do right now, just a bonus one, is to now do what, arrange this roof layout. Okay, this roofing layout. So right now I'll now come here, copy this one already existing here, copy it now, this sheet here. Now you can choose to rescale the title block of your layout, of your slab, of your staircase, but not your beam. Beam has a fixed size. As long as you are working on model space on Stonebridge template, okay, you must use beam as a fixed size. So right now you can see that if I now come here, copy this my layout now, you see that the layout now will be appearing very, very small on that place. So if I copy it now and then put this here, you can see that it is appearing very, very small. And the rules of detailing is that let your detail work should be at least occupy at least 75 to 80, or let me say 90% of the title block. Okay, so right now I can choose to rescale. So right, this is what, sheet 9. So this now will be sheet what, 10. Let me just rename this first to be sheet 10. Okay, sheet 10. That's fine. So for layout, you are permitted to what, rescale it to fit in, okay, to fit in what the drawing is saying, but you must not rescale for beams. Okay, you must not rescale for beams. Okay, that's fine. So right now, come here right now, then click on this right now, and I'll type 0. I'll just guess my factor, scale factor, and all that, and then you can see that it has not shifted. I can now go and then do what, arrange it like this, arrange this a bit like this right now, and then move this, and then try to arrange using my eye gauge, arrange this and then keep this here. Okay, that's fine. So you can now see that how the drawing now is now filled, and you can see that. So this is how to do that. Then I can now choose to arrange it by moving it, and then, although most times when you move layout that has dimension already, you can see that the dimension will just disassemble itself. Okay, let me see. Okay, yes, as you can see right now. So don't always move layout, okay, because this, you can see that this one now has not shifted inside and also appearing here, the same thing too. So don't always shift layout. Okay, so what you can do if you want to align it at the same level here, what you do is to copy this first. Okay, copy this first, copy this out from here, and then delete this off right now, delete it right now, and then copy this back again right now, copy this back. But while you're copying, you have to align it now before you paste. Okay, so align, come here right now, and then align and then paste it. Okay, and then come now, delete this right now from here and enter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, then you will now begin to then I'll now come here right now and then remove this, since I've already copied that and all that. Okay, but when it comes to beam, you don't copy, you just move. Okay, so you can see how I have placed this beam detail in sheet. Okay, so this is how to place your beam structural drawings on Stonebridge template. Okay, so this is basically a Stonebridge template which I'm using. All right, you can see that right now, Stonebridge template, but I am using a different company template which I've already resized it and all that, using the size that is being specified by Stonebridge. Okay, and all that. Okay, and also you can also see my staircase detailing here, which I use KCSoft to achieve. And also I also use KCSoft to achieve this staircase detailing here also, which is an open well staircase. Okay, so you can see that. So you can get the Stonebridge template following our link on our bio. You can get our site and all that, and then purchase the KCSoft templates. Why for this Stonebridge template, you can purchase this Stonebridge template following the link down below. Okay, you can follow the link down below and purchase this template. Okay, and all that. It's not free, and also it's not that expensive. Okay, so thank you so much, and God. Now if you have not subscribed to our channel, and if you're new on Ekidel, I will urge you to subscribe now. To my to our old subscribers, I'll say thank you so much and God bless you. And I will also say that you should like this video and also give this video a thumbs up, so that this video can also go viral here on YouTube. Thank you so much and God bless you. We'll love you and a goodbye. Now if you want to enroll for our Ekidel mentorship training on design of structures, both steel and concrete, you can also enroll for our Ekidel mentorship class following for this 2024. And currently there is a new software called PySoft. So that PySoft is basically on 50% discount on our site, so you can go and purchase it while the discount lasts. But after 1 month the discount will be off and all that. Okay, so you can purchase that because we will be using that for our Pi foundation design. You can also see the video which I've already done for PySoft, using the PySoft we designed for PyCap in this software and all that. So you can watch the video and know how the PySoft software really works when it comes to Pi foundation design. So thank you so much and God bless you. We'll love you, and then goodbye for now. Thank you.